looks kind of empty. The rain takes away the colors and everything feels quiet. My mum says the garden is just resting. My mum has these rose bushes in the garden. They look so pretty when they bloom, but sometimes she cuts them back. At first, I thought it was a bit strange. Why would you cut something that looks nice? She told me roses need space to grow stronger. If we don't trim them, the branches get too crowded and the flowers become weak. My mum says we're going to grow strawberries, but first the soil needs to be ready. I thought we could just put the plants in and wait, but she laughed and told me the soil is like a bed. It has to be soft and full of food so the plants can sleep and grow. On days like this, when it feels like there's nothing fun to do, my mum kneels down to pull weeds. She says it's simple, a bit boring, but also calming. I watch her hands pulling out the roots. Sometimes they come out so long, like she just won a game. Today, we finally planted the strawberries. My mum dug little holes in the soil we prepared, and I helped her place the tiny plants inside. Their green leaves looked so soft, like they were shy about moving into a new home. Mum pressed the soil gently around them, like she was tucking them into bed. She told me plants need to feel safe, just like people do. My mum put all the strawberry pots next to the fence. She said the fence can protect them from the frost because it stands like a wall, keeping out the cold wind. Then she told me strawberries also need to be covered with straw. She said the straw is like a blanket, soft and golden, keeping them warm while they sleep through the winter. I watched her press the straw gently around each pot, and it made a little rustling sound, like the plants were being tucked in for night. Mum smiled and told me that even though the garden looks bare now, the strawberries are not gone. They are just waiting quietly until summer. Adele, she promised that if we look after them today, they will give us sweet red fruits when the sunshine returns. My mum said strawberries need water almost every day when the weather is hot. I watched her carry the watering can and pour it gently over the pots, and the soil turned dark and shiny straight away. The leaves look fresher, like they were smiling after a long joke. Mum told me if we keep them watered and cared for, the plants will stay strong through the summer. I can't wait to see the flowers turn into tiny green berries and then watch them grow red and sweet. I keep thinking about how they will taste next year. Juicy, soft, and full of sunshine. The garden looks tired, almost defeated, but my mum tells me nature always knows what it's doing. Every ending is also a new beginning. She says weeds are like messy thoughts in our heads. When we pull them out, the soil can breathe again. Maybe life is the same. Sometimes we need rainy days to clear away the things we don't need anymore. My mum always says silence isn't really empty. If you listen carefully, it's full of answers. The garden still looks bare, but Mum says under the rain, it's already getting ready for spring. So maybe rainy days aren't wasted. They're secret working days for the garden, and maybe for us too.